To build your Solopreneur operating system in Obsidian, open your Vault and create 3 folders in the File Explorer sidebar. Name them Business, Projects, and Resources. That's the entire physical structure you need. No complex folder trees, no dozens of subfolders, just these 3 containers that will hold every aspect of your one-person business. Inside the Business folder, create a single note called Business Dashboard, and inside that note, paste in this simple markdown structure. A heading for Business Overview with placeholder lines for your business name, mission, and primary focus. Then a Current Goals section with a bullet point ready to fill in. An Active Projects section, a Weekly Priorities section, an Important Reminders section, and finally a Related Resources section. This dashboard becomes your home screen, the first thing you see every morning. The whole point here is that instead of opening 5 different apps to check your goals, your projects, your to-do list, and your clients, you have one note that surfaces everything that matters for your business right now. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Now let's walk through building each piece so you understand not just what to do, but why it works and how to avoid the common traps that make systems fall apart. Inside the Projects folder, create a note called Project Manager with its own structure, a heading for active projects, then a table or list where each entry includes the project name, priority, status, and deadline. Below that, add a section for next tasks, another for completed projects, and one for general notes. This note acts as your project control center. When you're juggling 3 client gigs, a product launch, and your weekly content schedule, this single note lets you see at a glance which project is on fire and which one can wait until next week. The key mistake beginners make here is trying to track every tiny task inside this note. Don't do that. Keep the project manager focused on the high-level view, which projects are active, what their current status is, and what the next single action is. If you need to track granular steps, create a separate note for that project and link to it from here. Inside the Resources folder, create a note called Resource Library. Structure it with sections for templates, documents, reference materials, useful links, and notes. This is where you store everything your business needs to run smoothly: your contract templates, your standard operating procedures, your meeting agenda template, links to your favorite stock photo site, your tax documents folder path, your client onboarding checklist. The beauty of having it all in one note is that when you're staring at a blank page trying to write a proposal, you don't have to dig through your hard drive. You open the resource library, grab the proposal template, fill it in, and get back to work. A pro tip here: use this note as a launchpad for anything you do more than once. If you find yourself writing the same type of email twice, save a template. If you use the same checklist for every project, store it here. Over time, this one note will save you hours every week. With your 3 core notes created, now it's time to wire them together using Obsidian's internal links. In your business dashboard, add a link to Project Manager under the Active Projects section and a link to Projects Library under the Related Resources section. In your Project Manager, link back to the business dashboard and link to any individual project notes you create. This creates a web of connections that makes navigation effortless. Instead of hunting through folders, you click a link and you're there. That's the real superpower of Obsidian for solopreneurs. Your knowledge isn't trapped in a hierarchy. It flows naturally between related pieces of information. If you have a note about a specific client project, link it to your resource library's contract template. If you have a note about your marketing strategy, link it to your business dashboard's goals. Every link you add makes your vault smarter and your future self faster. Once your links are in place, add properties to your notes. In Obsidian, properties are the metadata fields you can add at the top of a note between 2 sets of 3 dashes. For your project manager, add properties like status, priority, and due date. For individual project notes, add category, last updated, and owner. The real value of properties shows up later when you start using Obsidian's Data View plugin to generate tables that automatically list all your active projects sorted by deadline, or all your resources grouped by category. You don't need that plugin right now just to get started, but adding the properties from day one means you won't have to go back and retype everything later. Tags are your second layer of organization. Add tags like #business, #project, #marketing, #finance, and #operations to your notes. Tags cut across folders. They let you instantly find every note related to marketing, regardless of whether it lives in business, projects, or resources. Now let's build your actual daily workflow. Every morning, open your business dashboard first. Update your weekly priorities, check your active projects, and scan your important reminders. Then open your project manager, review the status of each active project, and if any tasks were completed, move them to the completed project section. Next, open your resource library whenever you need a template or a reference during the day. At the end of the day, spend 2 minutes updating anything that changed. That's it. 3 notes, 3 folders, a few links, and a consistent routine. Here's the mistake I see most often. People build elaborate systems with 20 folders and 100 tags on day 1, then burn out maintaining it. Your system should be as simple as possible to actually use every single day. The business dashboard is your compass, the project manager is your map, and the resource library is your toolkit. Start with these 3, use them daily, and only expand when you genuinely feel the need. Archive completed projects into an archive folder if you start accumulating clutter. Back up your vault regularly, copy the entire folder to a cloud drive or use Obsidian Sync, because losing your operating system means losing weeks of organizational work. By now you've built a complete solopreneur operating system in Obsidian that connects your business goals, your projects, and your resources in one searchable, linked workspace. No more app switching, no more lost documents, no more starting from scratch every morning. Your dashboard gives you a bird's eye view, your project manager keeps your work on track, and your resource library saves you time on repetitive tasks. If you want to take this further, consider adding a daily notes plugin or a weekly review template to keep your system alive over the long term. Save this video or bookmark these steps. You'll want to revisit them as your business grows and your vault evolves. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.